So in today's video, I'm going to share the top whole foods that are high in the mineral potassium. The major benefits of potassium are: it's an essential mineral and electrolyte, supports nerve and muscle function, such as sending nerve signals and controlling muscle contractions, maintains blood pressure and heart function, transports nutrients into cells, aids in water regulation and balance, and supports kidney function. Some interesting facts about potassium are: over 98% of U.S. adults don't consume the recommended daily intake of potassium. Hypokalemia, which is low potassium, is common due to this. The National Health and Examination Survey estimates that around 11% of Americans had hypokalemia in 2016. Evidence of low potassium are constipation, muscle weakness, fatigue, and malaise. A severe potassium deficiency may lead to muscular paralysis, heart rhythm changes, and an increase in diluted urine. But on a positive note, adequate potassium can lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of kidney stones, control blood sugar, reduce the risk of stroke, and help prevent osteoporosis, since potassium prevents calcium from leaving the bones. And bananas, meat, dried fruit, and potatoes are popular sources of obtaining potassium. How much potassium should you get daily? According to the US FDA, it's recommended that for a 2,000 calorie diet, adults get up to 4,700 milligrams of potassium per day. Generally, the FDA states that when broken down by gender, men should get around 3,400 milligrams of potassium per day, and women should get around 2,600 milligrams of potassium per day. However, how much potassium one should consume per day will depend on their unique situation and age. The Food and Nutrition Board at the National Academy of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine have set adequate intakes, AIs, for potassium based on age, gender, and condition. So, here are the top 42 whole foods that contain 500 milligrams or more of potassium per serving. These are approximate estimates. There are more whole foods, including animal products like fish and dairy, that contain good amounts of potassium per serving. I encourage you to check out the resource links in the description bar below to discover what they are. It's important to note that consuming too much potassium can be just as problematic as not consuming enough potassium. High potassium can lead to health problems such as nausea and vomiting, and serious ones such as abnormal heart rhythms and heart attack. For those taking high blood pressure medications and for those with chronic kidney disease, diabetes, or heart failure, consuming high amounts of potassium can lead to the serious problems just mentioned. Always consult with your doctor to determine how much potassium you should consume per day if you have these stated conditions. It is likely you will have to limit your potassium consumption, such as if you have chronic kidney disease, since the kidneys may be unable to remove excess potassium from the body. Experts state that most people with chronic kidney disease should not consume over 2,000 milligrams of potassium per day. For most people, consuming too much potassium per day from natural foods and not supplements, for example, is almost impossible. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share so this video can reach more people looking for healthy and natural potassium sources. Subscribe for more whole food and nutrition videos, and until next time, take care.